Arduino is a microcontroller platform for interactive electronics projects, used in prototyping and education. Before we start, let's take a quick look at the Arduino's pins. The Arduino Uno has digital pins, pins 0 to 13, used for digital input and output. Analog pins, pins A0 to A5, used for analog input. Power pins, 5V, 3.3V, and GND pins for power supply. PWM pins, digital pins marked with a tilde, which can simulate analog output. Setting up Arduino IDE. First, download and install the Arduino IDE from Arduino's official website. Let's see an example. For this, we need an Arduino board. We're using Arduino Uno, USB cable, LED, 220 ohm resistor, breadboard, and jumper wires. Now, let's connect the LED to the Arduino. Place the LED on the breadboard. Connect the long leg to pin 13 and the short leg to ground through a 220 ohm resistor. Connect your Arduino board to your computer using the USB cable. Open the Arduino IDE and write your first sketch. Let's make an LED blink. So, in this program, the setup function is used to declared pin mode of the Arduino for the desired pin, and then the loop is used to execute the code continuously within it. As per the code, using digital write function, we are writing the value high, that is 5 volts, to the pin 13. And then, the delay function is used to pause the code for 1 second and execute the next line, that is, writing value low to the pin 13, and then again pauses the code 1 second. The loop continuously turns the LED on for 1 second and off for 1 second, creating a blinking effect. Uploading the sketch, select your board and port from the Tools menu, then click the Upload button. Once uploaded, you should see the LED blink on and off every second. Congrats, we've completed our first Arduino project. That's it for today. You've learned how to set up Arduino, understand its pins, write a basic sketch, and make an LED blink. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Arduino projects. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.